Hello, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here at Alair State Park. This is their group campsite. Beautiful piece of property here. And for about $60 you could rent a spot for all your friends to get out and camp and have a good time. There's no electricity hookup and there's no showers here, but they do have porta potties on site. I bumped into Dyno, and he has a really cool rig here, and he's going to give us a full tour today. Hello, welcome to New Jersey Outdoor Adventures.
Hi, welcome Patrick. Good morning. My name is Dyno. Here I have a 2012 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition. I built it just to, go camp anywhere, trail, off-road, and everything you can do. So first I would like to introduce I put an Icon suspension with a 2.0 3-inch lift front and back, and also put a 17 by 9-inch rims with a Stealth Custom Series with a BF Goodrich KO2s 35 by 12.5 and 17-inch rims. Okay, and this one is a RSG Rock Sliders, so when I go off-roading I don't have to worry about hitting my rocker panels, hitting rocks and boulders underneath. And also right here in the front I also put a skid plate. It's made by RCI Off-Road. It's full all the way down to the transfer case, and aluminum. It's like 1/4 inch thick, and it's light, and it's enough to save your engine. And also my latest addition, being a overlanding, is my roof NEST Sparrow Eye model. It set up like in seconds, and you just pop it up and that's it, you're ready to go. And it sits too, and it's very, very comfortable. Even at night like this weather, I didn't even feel cold. All I have is a comforter and a two what do you call that, beds. And this one I have also my spare tire, my fifth wheel spare tire, also full size. It's a Wilco off-road that hooks into hitch, and includes with my bike rack. Yep. And also in the two leg, as I put my bikes on, and I have two bikes to put on, it carries, and there you go. And also this one is a Gobi Rock from GobiRocks.com. I had it all full extension. It's specifically made for 4Runner. No drilling included. You just put all the bolts and that's it. You're set. Take up your stock roof and put that in. And also on this one I have a Rago center console mold. So I can put my CV in there, everything. If you have a RAM mount, you can put your RAM mount here, your laptop, your iPhone, and everything. And so far, I think that's it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna show you how I do this. And so I'm up here. Right now, it's set up for sleeping. I'm gonna take this out for now, show you how quickly it is to do.
Can we see inside?
Yes. You want to go inside and climb it? You can step on there. And this is how it is. See how roomy it is?
What are the dimensions of this?
This one is a 30 by 84. So it sits two. And it comes with a mattress already, with a microfiber liner, and this is how you just pull it down, how easy it is to set up. Put it in. So you just take off all this plastic here. Have to press it down because there's still air inside.
So you latch one side and then the other side you just got to stuff everything in?
Yep, that's it. That's how it locks. And that's it.
What are the overall costs for one of those rooftop?
$27,400 for a new one. And the Gobi is like $1,500. Lead time for this because they're not stocked. They have to order them. It takes like 8 to 10 weeks. It depends on how much order they have. Everything in here, because they're all pre-manufactured, you just have to wait for a lead time, like at least 2 weeks. Like this one, I waited for like 3 weeks to get this built. The RCI is the fastest, like 10 days, because they just, you know, it's a lat machine that they do, so it's easier. So the icons, they're all in stock, all the accessories and stuff like that. And the tires and rims, you know, you can typically buy them like on stock already. But everything else is you have to wait.
What kind of trips do you go on with this group here? It looks like everybody's got something.
We go camping most of the time, mountain biking. We start mountain biking, and then you know we found out that we can just also go camping. At the same time, we go riding. Mostly we go to the campsite that has bike trails that we can go to. So typically like 2 days, 2 nights at least, like that. So that's what it is. And then we also go off-roading once in a while when we have time, but not like a full-time off-roader. Because yeah, we mostly basically camp and bikes, mountain bike.
Well, I really appreciate you taking the time out from hanging out with your friends here to give us a tour for New Jersey Outdoor Adventures, and I wish you luck and just be safe out there.
Absolutely. Cool.
Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe. I'd love it. We'll see you soon.